It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Are you embarrassed by dirty windows but can't get to them yourself? You are not alone. Paul from Blue Ocean Window Cleaning is here to help. Thanks so much for being with me today.
My pleasure.
This really resonates with me. I just realized how dirty my windows are after speaking with you this morning. So do you find that people call and it's a very common thing that they're embarrassed by their dirty windows and it's almost why they've hesitated so long to call?
Well, somewhat embarrassed, but also just tired of dealing with it. You know, they've looked through it day after day after day. It doesn't get put on the top of the priority list, and it's just kind of an irritation, a constant irritation for them. They'd like to have something done with it, but it seems like people just delay on that process.
It can be easily overlooked as something that's wrong with the home that you can't quite put your finger on, and I understand that so well. Let's talk about what people are missing out on by having dirty windows. They're not getting the best out of their view, right?
Exactly. You know, we do a lot of oceanfront homes, and it's kind of amazing to me the number of windows that people look through day after day after day that have salt and sand and dirt and leaf blow, whatever, on their windows, obscuring the view, and they don't seem to deal with it. And not sure why sometimes.
So it's not only that it's dirty, it can actually be damaging to the home, is that right?
Exactly, yeah. There's a corrosive effect for moisture that's sitting on windows. Dirt in combination with the moisture can corrode certainly metal frame windows, but even vinyl windows over time will take a beating, and you know, effectively the glass as well over a longer term of time.
So, and getting clean windows is really, all they have to do is pick up the phone and call Blue Ocean, is that right?
Exactly right. We'd be glad to provide a free estimate, and we also do screen repair and things along that line that people will frequently be interested in as well.
Oh, fantastic. They can get their windows kind of in tip-top shape and take better control of their view. You also have a special offer for first-time customers. You want to share that with everyone?
Yeah, we gladly provide a 10% discount to folks who use us for the first time. And I encourage people all the time, get the quote from me and then tell me at that point, you know, you're looking for a 10% discount, then you're guaranteed to get that.
And get the best price.
And get the best price.
Thank you so much, Paul. Take control of your view with sparkling clean windows from Blue Ocean Window Cleaning. Find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.